is exercise 5, time speed distance. Let's go through the question of this exercise. Question 16. At what time between 7 and 8 o'clock are the hour and minute hands of the clock together? Let's look at solving this question by the conventional method and then by the options also. At 7 o'clock, the minute hand is at 12, but the hour hand is at 7. Okay. So I can say the minute hand is behind the hour hand by 35 minutes. Okay. When will they meet? They will meet when the minute hand gains 35 minutes over the hour hand. Okay. When he gains 35 minutes over the hour hand, they will meet, because the minute hand is 35 minutes behind the hour hand at 7 o'clock. This is the minute hand just for reference, and this is the hour hand. Okay. Now again, as per the clock, when the minute hand does 60 minutes, one complete round, the hour hand does only 5 minutes. Or in other words, the minute hand gains 55 minutes in an hour or in 60 minutes, or it gains 11 minutes in 12 minutes. Okay. Okay. So to gain 1 minute, so a gain of 1 minute would need 12 by 11 minutes. Okay. How much time do we need to gain? We need to gain 35 minutes. So to gain 35 minutes, we will need 35 into 12 by 11 minutes, which is nothing but, again, from a calculation perspective, you could write it down as 35 into 1 plus 1 by 11, which is nothing but 35 plus 35 by 11. 35 by 11 would be nothing but, again, this will be 35 is there. This 35 by 11 is nothing but 11 3s are 33, and the remainder of 2 by 11. So 738 by 11 should be the answer, choice D. So the standard way of solving this question is find out where is the minute hand, or how much behind is the minute hand at the earlier time, which is 7 o'clock. Supposing the question was what time between 9 and 10 will the hands of the clock coincide, I'll start this a similar way. I'll say at 9 o'clock the minute hand is behind by 45 minutes. So the minute hand has to gain 45 minutes to meet the hour hand, and hence the time should be 45 into 12 by 11, and we can get the answer from there. Let's look at using the choices and working with the question out here. Let me erase some of the portions which I have written so that we have some working space. Okay. So again, as we had said earlier, the minute hand is behind the hour hand by 35 minutes. The second thing is the hour hand at 7 o'clock is at 7, at 8 o'clock it will be at 8. So I can say that between 7 and 8, if they have to meet, they will meet between 7:35 and 7:40. Okay, because at 7:40, when the minute hand reaches 8 o'clock, it has definitely crossed the hour hand. So my answer first of all has to be between 7:35 and 7:40. Hence choice A, choice B, which is more than 7:40, choice C, which is less than 7:35. All three of them are incorrect. Your answer will be either D or E, which means 38 2 by 11 or 38 7 by 11. Okay. Secondly, so this is the first item, that my answer needs to be between 7:35 and 7:40. Let's look at the second item now. When the minute hand is at 8 o'clock or at 40 minutes, it has covered 40 out of 60 minutes, or it has covered 2/3 of its journey. Okay. So when the minute hand has covered 2/3 of the journey, the hour hand should also cover 2/3 of the journey, and its journey is 2/3 of 5 minutes. 5 minutes is nothing but 300 seconds. So he's covered 2/3 of 300 seconds, which means he's covered 200 seconds in all. 2/3 of 300, which is nothing but 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So I can also say they will meet before. The point of meeting will be before 7:35 plus 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay. Or they will meet before 7 38 and 20 seconds. Okay, 7 o'clock 38 minutes and 20 seconds, which is nothing but 7, 38, 1 by 3. So they have to meet before 7:38, 1 by 3. That means choice E cannot be the answer, because 38, 7 by 11, 7 by 11 is more than 1 by 3. So choice E cannot be the answer. 2 by 11 is less than 1 by 3. So the correct answer has to be choice D. So you can also use this just to eliminate choices and get the answer faster. The complete calculation then is not required. But your pick, your choice as to which of the two methods you want to employ.